This video is initiated by SHETH VIDYA MANDIR English High School and Junior College. My name is Bindu Iyer. This video is for Junior KG students. Today's subject is general knowledge. The topic is birds. There are different kinds of birds. Today I will explain you all about some birds. So kids, let us start with peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock's neck is of blue color. The next bird is crow. Crows are usually black in color. Crow is an intelligent bird. The next is tailor birds. Tailor birds are small birds. Tailor birds build their nest from twigs and dry grass. The next bird is eagle. Eagle is the common name for many large birds. Eagle has a sharp eyesight and known as a good hunter. The next bird is ostrich. Ostrich is a fastest running bird. Ostrich is largest and heaviest living bird. The last bird is pigeon. Pigeon was used to carry messages around the world. Pigeons feed on seeds, fruits, and plants. So, children, let me ask you some simple questions. Question 1. Which is the fastest running bird? Answer is ostrich is the fastest running bird. I repeat, ostrich is the fastest running bird. Question 2. Name the national bird of our country, India. Answer is peacock is the national bird of our country, India. I repeat, peacock is the national bird of our country, India. Question 3. Name a bird with sharp eyesight and is known as good hunter. Answer is the eagle has sharp eyesight and it is known as good hunter. I repeat, the eagle has sharp eyesight and it is known as good hunter. Next question. Name a bird that uses its beak to chew leaves. Answer is the tailor bird uses its beak to chew leaves. I repeat, the tailor bird uses its beak to chew leaves. Question 5. Name a bird that was used to carry messages around the world. Answer is the pigeon was used to carry messages around the world. I repeat, the pigeon was used to carry messages around the world. The last question is, what is color of the crow? Answer is the color of the crow is usually black. I repeat, the color of the crow is usually black. So children, I hope you liked watching all different kinds of birds. So keep practicing. Thank you.